Today we're going to learn how to submit homework to Google Classroom from the app Notability. Now, you don't have to use Notability to do your homework, but your teacher might request that you use it sometime, so we need to know how to submit homework from Notability. So, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into Google Classroom. And we're going to go to the classwork page at the bottom. And at the bottom, I see I have one assignment down here called Intro to Chemistry Part 1. So I'm going to click it. And I see that as part of this assignment, I was given a homework worksheet that says Intro to Matter Worksheet. So I'm going to select it. And I see that my teacher has assigned me this chemistry worksheet. Right now, I can't write on it yet. So in order to write on this worksheet, I'm going to go to the top right-hand corner and you'll see a little box with an arrow in it. And I'm going to select that icon. When I select that icon, it opens up the worksheet in Google Drive. However, as we said earlier, we don't want to open it in Google Drive. We want to open this file in the app called Notability. So again, I'm going to go to the top right to the icon that looks like 3 dots, and I'm going to select it. When I hit that icon, you'll see that I'm given a number of options. We are going to hit the option that says Open In. At this point, we're given a number of options, and we are going to pick the very first option that says Copy to Notability. We are going to select the icon that says Create New Note. And then in the top right, we're going to select Import. At this point, we're in Notability, and our worksheet has been sent to Notability, so we can write on it using all of the features that Notability has. Notability is essentially an app for taking notes, writing things, typing things, highlighting things, and in this case, we can use it to do our worksheet. So for example, I can zoom in and I can fill in an answer. Let's assume at this point that I'm done with the worksheet and I'm ready to submit it. In order for the teacher to see it, I need to submit this worksheet to Google Classroom. But in order to do that, I need to save this worksheet back to my Google Drive. So if you look in the top left-hand corner, you will see an icon that looks like a square with an arrow going up. Again, that icon is in the top left-hand corner. I am going to select that icon. And again, it gives me a number of options, but we want to send this and save this to Google Drive. So I'm going to select Google Drive. And it says that it wants to save this file as a PDF, which is fine. So we are going to hit Send to Google Drive. At this point, our worksheet has been saved to Google Drive and we're ready to submit it. So I'm going to go back to Google Classroom. I'm going to X out of this and go back. And now I'm back at my classwork page. So I'm going to find that assignment that I need to turn in, Intro to Chemistry. And you'll notice at the very bottom, it says Your Work. And it says that it's missing because I still haven't turned it in. So we are going to hit that arrow and pull it up. And it gives me the option to add an attachment. And the attachment we want to add is our homework that we saved in Google Drive. So I'm going to hit Add Attachment. And I'm going to hit Drive because remember, we saved our assignment in Google Drive a few seconds ago. So I'm going to hit Drive. And hopefully you can look for your worksheet here. I found it right there, Intro to Matter Worksheet. However, if you want to put this in even better order, at the top where it says Name, select that. And instead, change this list to Last Modified by Me. Now, your most recent assignment will be at the top. So I am going to select my Intro to Matter worksheet right there. And now my worksheet, which was in Google Drive, is now in Google Classroom. All I have to do at this point is turn it in. So I'm going to select Turn It In. And now my homework has been submitted. You'll see at the top right, it says turned in instead of missing. And if you hit that arrow, it will pull down and you can go back to your home screen and do whatever needs to be done. So, hopefully from this video you've learned how to open a worksheet or a homework assignment in Notability, which is this app right here, how to save your worksheet in Google Drive, and then submit it into Google Classroom. Again, you are opening your assignment in Notability, saving it into Google Drive, and then submitting it on Google Classroom. I hope this video has helped you.